Kung gusto mong lumago bilang content creator, may kailangan kang maintindihan. Content creation is not just posting, it is daily discipline. Marami ang akala basta nakapag-upload sila tapos na ang trabaho. Hindi ganon. Posting is not only one task. Kung gusto mong tumaas ang reach, lumago ang audience, at eventually kumita, may daily task na dapat ginagawa. Task number 1, research. Bago ka gumawa ng content, kailangan alam mo ano ang gusto ng audience, anong problema nila, anong tanong nila, anong topics ang mainit. Successful creators don't guess. They research. Minsan, 30 minutes of research can drive you 30 days of content ideas. Task number 2, create content. Siyempre, daily creation. Hindi mo kailangan sobrang dami agad, pero may output. Maybe 3 short videos, maybe 1 strong post. Basta may production because creators create. Task number 3, improve your hooks. Napakahalaga nito. Kung mahina ang first 3 seconds, mahina ang retention. Daily practice ang paggawa ng hooks. Mas gumaling ka rito, mas lalaki ang results. Task number 4, engage with audience. Ito madalas nakakalimutan. Hindi lang post and disappear. Reply to comments, answer messages, react to community because engagement builds loyalty at loyalty builds growth. Task number 5, study analytics. Oo, dapat araw-araw tinitingnan. Ano ang mataas ang views? Ano ang mababa ang retention? Anong topic nag-perform? Data tells you what to repeat. Creators grow faster when they read signals. Task number 6, learn something daily. No learning, no earning. Mag-aral ng editing, storytelling, hooks, algorithm, behavior. Kahit 20 minutes a day, compounding yan. Task number 7, build assets. Hindi puro daily content. Gumawa rin ng evergreen content, tutorials, pillar content, searchable content. Ito ang digital assets mo. Task number 8, network. Makikipag-connect sa ibang creators. Comment on others. Collaborate. Relationship can grow rich. Task number 9, repurpose content. One idea, multiple formats. Video into text post. Text into carousel. Long content into reels. Smart creators maximize assets. Task number 10, mindset check. Napaka-importante dahil content creation is emotional game. May low views, may slow growth, may discouragement. Kailangan araw-araw inaayos ang mindset. Now, if you ask me, anong simple daily routine ng serious creator? Ganito, research, create, mag-post, engage, analyze, learn, and repeat. Very simple lang, di ba? Pero powerful. At tandaan, hindi lumalaki ang account dahil inspired ka minsan. Lumalaki ito dahil discipline ka araw-araw. Consistency creates momentum. Momentum creates growth. Growth creates income. At gusto kong maintindihan mo ito. Kung gusto mong maging professional creator, treat it like a business. Businesses have daily operations. Creators should too. Kaya wag mong itanong lang, anong ipopost ko today? Tanungin mo, anong creator task ang nagawa ko today? Mas powerful yan. At baka ito ang reason kung bakit ang iba mabilis umangat. Dahil hindi lang sila poster. They operate like builders. And that changes everything. Remember this, ang successful content creator hindi lang marunong gumawa ng content. Marunong magpatakbo ng content system. At yan ang ginagawa araw-araw ng mga seryosong creators. Nakatulong ba ito sa'yo? Paki-comment and see you in the comment section.